Okay, so for 4, I did all the writing without realizing I wasn't sharing anymore. You got degree of 3 because you do 2 plus 1. The right arrow goes up because it's positive. My factors are x minus 4 and x minus 1. My zeros would be 4 and 1. My multiplicity would be 2 and 1. My right arrow goes up. I have to hit 4 and bounce off because of multiplicity of 2. I come back towards 1. I'm going straight through because of multiplicity of 1. Remember, the important parts are the end behaviors and the zeros, and they have the correct shape. For 5, f of x equals negative x plus 3 all of it cubed, x minus 2. Here my degree is going to be 4 because it's 3 plus 1 because it's in factored form. And then my right arrow is going to go down because it is a negative leading coefficient. My zeros are x plus 3 and x minus 2. Or that's my factors. Oof, I'm getting tired. My zeros are negative 3 and positive 2, and my multiplicity is 3 and 1. Again, these all come from the same parentheses or group. So x plus 3 minus 3, 3. X minus 2, 2 is the 0, and then 1 is the exponent. So my right arrow goes down because of this negative here. That's what that told me. I'm going to have to hit positive 2 and negative 3. When I hit positive 2, I have multiplicity of 1, so I go straight through. It's a cross. I'm going to come back down towards negative 3. When I hit there, it has multiplicity of 3. So I'm going to kind of wiggle or go horizontal right through there. My arm should go in the same direction because it has a degree of 4. For 6, my degree here is 5, 3 plus 2. The right arrow is going to go down because it is negative leading coefficient. My factors are x minus 3, x plus 3. My zeros then would be positive 3 and negative 3. And then multiplicity, x minus 3 has an exponent of 2, so 2. X plus 3 has an exponent of 3, so 3. So I know I have to cross at positive 3 and negative 3. I'm pointing down. At positive 3, it has a multiplicity of 2, so I'm going to have an up and bouncing off. At negative 3, I have a multiplicity of 3. I'm coming back towards it. It's going to go horizontal. It's not quite horizontal, but it looks it. And that's our wiggle. Last part is we're going to write equations for the following graphs. So you're kind of doing it in the opposite direction. My right arrow goes down so that I know this is going to be negative. I'm going to find my zeros, then my factors. I'm going to figure out the multiplicities. So my 0 is negative 4. I have a 0, or my 0 is 4. Let's bring down my factor there. I have a 0 at 1 and a 0 at negative 2. At 4, the factor would be x minus 4. I know it's the opposite. At 1, the factor is x minus 1. And at negative 2, the factor is x plus 2. And then multiplicity, when I'm at 4, it's a bounce. I'm bouncing off, so it's 2. At 1, it's a bounce. So it's 2. And at negative 2, I'm going straight through, so that's 1. So my equation is going to be f of x equals near negative, so the right arm points down, x minus 4 squared, x minus 1 squared, x plus 2. You're going to leave it in factored form because I obviously don't want you to be multiplying out 5 different sets of parentheses. That would be a lot of distributing. For 8, my right arm points up. So it's going to be positive. My zeros are